CLF. We are the company that manufactures the plastic injection molding machines since 1966 in Thailand. And in this TaipeiPLAS 2024, we display 3 different types of machines. And the first one is our 600 pounds of 2-platen multicolor plastic injection molding machines. There are 2 biggest features. The first one is its 2-platen design, so it can help you to save the space at least 20%. And the second one is the multicolor design. We use the rotation table to help you to adjust the angles. We can do 2 colors, 3 colors to 4 colors, and to help your products become more beautiful and different shapes of it. And the second one is our 250 pounds of the TW2. It's the 3-platen design and it's out-toggle mechanism, and it's high precision, high stability, and it's suitable for the long, deep, or wide products. And our third machine is the 180 pounds of all electric types. It's high precision and it can help you to save the energy. And our machines are all made in Taiwan, and we have good qualities, good services, and a lot of experience in this industry. Yeah, thanks.